Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to show you a crazy idea using a punch ladle from Dollar Tree. Some of you may just love this idea and some of you are probably just going to hate it. But anyhow, I'm still going to make it because I think it is a brilliant idea. I'm going to be using 4 of these punch ladles and also some solar lights. Okay, so I'm going to start by hot gluing the handles of all 4 of the ladles. And I'll be joining them this way. Before I got started, I made holes at the top of the handles using my hot glue gun. So what I'm going to do is hot glue all the handles together. Then next I'm going to clamp them down. Okay, so this is how it looks now that they're all glued together. Okay, now I want to reinforce them and I'm going to be using my floral wire for that. This was the reason why I created those holes. I just used my needle nose pliers to bend each end. And once I bent the wire, this is how it looks up at the top and also down at the bottom. I'm also going to be using 2 of these Dollar Tree flower pots. Okay, so next I'm going to add one of these small pots underneath it and I'm going to hot glue it just like this. So I've gone ahead and I've added the hot glue to the pot. I'm going to hold these down and I'm also going to clamp them just for a few minutes just so that they can adhere well. Okay, now I'm going to add the second flower pot on top just like I showed you. I'm going to be hot gluing it also. So I didn't like the gap between the 2 pots. So what I did is I just got some Dollar Tree twine and I just wrapped it around the center and hot glued it as I'm showing you right there. Okay, so I went a little overboard with the twine, but I went ahead and I put some more. Oh well, it's done. Okay, so you know that Dollar Tree carries these champagne glasses. Well, I'm going to be using the base. Okay, so I'm going to take these bases and I'm going to hot glue them to the base of the spoon just like this. And this is the spray paint I'll be using. Okay, so I'm going to take it outside and give it a spray paint and then come back. Okay, so now that the paint is dry, I'm ready now to continue to finish off this project. Okay, so now I'm ready to add my solar lights to the bases of the champagne glasses and I'm going to be gluing them with this E6000. Since this is going to be an outdoor chandelier, I need for the solar lights to take hold really well. I also added some hot glue just to give it a quick hold. After I was done adding all my solar lights, I went ahead and I put some weight on them and I waited at least 24 hours so they would be completely dry. I had this left over from my wire basket, the chain and hook, so I'll be using this as well. Okay, so the next day I was ready to add my chain to my chandelier. And as you can see, it has little hooks right there. And all I did was open it and just slip it underneath the lip of the flower pot. And here is my outdoor chandelier. I really love how this turned out. I know it's a bit quirky, but I do like how it looks. Now, I will be taking my chandelier and hanging it on a tree. You know, an area that's kind of dark, but you like to sit around. Well, this is just a great option, a great idea where you don't have to spend a lot and you just can create your own outdoor chandelier and then place it wherever you want in your yard. So please let me know what you think of this idea. I'd love to hear from you. Well, that is it for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up and also share. I'd really appreciate it. You have yourself a blessed day and I will see you on my next video. So bye-bye and God bless.